Imagine buying 10 gigabytes of data on MTN at 39 cedis 50 pesos. This is very affordable, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you this website where you can use it to buy your affordable data packages on MTN, Airtel, Tigo, and Telecel, and as well as using this particular website to be as a data selling agent so as to help you get some commissions for yourself. This is very simple. Okay, all that you have to do is check the video description. The first link, that's the platform, you tap on it and below the registration page, then you see the register button, you click on it here. And at the registration page, you enter your preferred username that you want, you enter your valid email address, you enter password, then you confirm your password, then you click on register button here. So an email will be sent to the email address that you insert here for registration confirmation. You will see registration complete. Please check your email, then visit the login. So you go to email address, so you go to email, then you see it appearing here. Okay, you click on this link to login, as simple as that. Okay, and after clicking on the link, which will be sent to you on email for confirmation, you just go ahead to enter your username or your email address you used to create the account, then the password you used to create the account, then you click on login, as simple as that. Okay, we can see at the top right corner the menu section here, you click on it, then you go to the dashboard here. Okay, so on the dashboard here is your dashboard page. Okay, that's every activity you are doing on this particular data website. Okay, so here is where you go ahead to select the data that you really want to buy as a customer. Okay, so here you go to the MTN portal section here, you see single and bulk. Okay, so the single, starting from the data packages, you select the data size. It ranges from 1 gig through to 100 gigabytes here. Okay, so with 1 gig it costs 4.9 cedis. Okay, 4 cedi 90 pesos for a regular customer. With the 10 gig here, it costs 42 cedis for a regular customer on this particular website, and with 5 gigabytes here, it costs 24 Ghana cedis, as simple as that. That's for the MTN. So you can check through to check the packages on the MTN packages. Okay, so you go to the Telecel packages here, you see the Telecel packages starts from 5 gig through to 100 gig. So the 5 gig on Telecel is 22 cedis. Okay, with 10 gig here, it is 41 cedis, as simple as that. You can as well check through the packages and the prices of each package here. Okay, 30 gig is 120 Ghana cedis, as simple as that. So when you go to the Airtel Tigo Big Time here, you see the packages with the sizes here. It's 15 gig here, and 15 gig costs 47 Ghana cedis. Okay, so if you are a customer and you want to buy MTN data, it is very simple. All that you have to do is that you just make sure you select the data package that you want. For instance, 10 gig here, then you enter your mobile phone number in this format. Okay, so you enter your mobile phone number here. So after entering your mobile phone number and selecting the data package, you click on make payment here. So here you confirm and pay here. Okay, so you can see it says insufficient balance. So here is what you need to do before you'll be able to place an order on this particular website. You see at the menu section here, you click on it, then you make sure you go to credit wallet. Okay, so the credit wallet, you click on it, then you enter the mobile money number that you want to use to credit your account on this particular data website. Okay, then you select the amount that you want to deposit or credit to your wallet on this particular website. Okay, so the moment that you enter the mobile money number, automatically the network type will appear. Okay, then you enter the amount here, then click on proceed to pay here. So here 6-digit code will be sent to the mobile money number that you enter to make the payment. Okay, this is normal. That's why if you are a first timer purchasing data from this platform, you get the 6-digit OTP code. Okay, then you paste the OTP code here, as simple as that. Then after that, you click on verify and proceed. So once it is verified, a payment prompt will be sent to your mobile money number that you use, so that you enter mobile money pin to initiate the transaction, to complete the transaction. Okay, so if the payment prompt is delaying, you use the my approval. Okay, you dial *170 as if you are using MTN. So once payment is done, you see it will be credited to your account here. Then you go ahead to just enter the number you want to use to buy the data, and you select the data package size. As simple as that. You click on make payment, then you confirm to make payment to be deducted from your wallet account on this particular platform. And if you want to track your data purchase to see if it is delivered or it is on processing, you see the my order section here. You click on my order here, and here whenever you purchase a data bundle, you get order ID. Okay, so you can enter the order ID here, then you enter the phone number that you want the data to be sent to, then you select the dates, the starting date and the ending date, then you can select the status of it, if it is completed, if it is pending payment, if it is processing, on hold, completed, cancelled, refunded, in that order here. Okay, then you click on search to search for the status of your data package, whether it is delivered, pending, or even refunded. As simple as that. Okay, now those of you want to be using this platform to be data agent, that is by selling data bundles to your friends, your relatives, so as to get some little commissions from it, this platform is one of the best. Okay, so I'm going to take you to my master agent portal for you to see the prices of the data packages and the amount that I'm making from it. As simple as that. Okay, and one key thing about this agent portal on this particular part that I really like about is that you get your agent link, of which you can send it to your friends, your families, your relatives, so as to use you to buy their preferred data packages and you get your commissions from it. Okay, so now if you want to be an agent so that you also be able to make sales on this particular platform, you see it is very simple. You check the screen, you see the WhatsApp contact, the pick it and contact the WhatsApp number so that you'll be boarded on the agent page. Agent registration is free. Okay, you don't have to pay any money to anyone being an agent. It is free. Okay, but the terms associated with it is very simple. You need to at least make a minimum deposit of 500 Ghana cedis on your agent portal, because the prices on the agent is very simple. So making deposits on your wallet account is not for anyone, but it's for you, so as to be using it to be selling and also buying the data to your preferred customers. As simple as that. Okay, so let me take you to the packages on the agent portal here. So being an agent here, so the MTN packages here with the 10 gig here, you can see 10 gig you get it at around 39 cedis 50 pesos as an agent price. Okay, and with this one you can sell it to your customers at around, let's say, 45 cedis or 46 cedis, and you make some commissions from it. Okay, so with that of the 20 gig, it is 77 Ghana cedis. Okay, and there are other exclusive offers on being a master agent. For instance, if your daily sales are high, even your prices will be reduced. As simple as that, and you will even get your USSD code, of which your customers can use the USSD code to purchase their preferred data bundle from you. As simple as that. Okay, and let's go to that of the 2 gig. 2 gig is 8 to 50 pesos for being a master agent. As simple as that. Okay, so you go to the Telcel here, the Telcel packages. With the Telcel package 1 gig, it is 4 cedis 20 pesos on the agent portal. The 5 gig is 20 cedis 50 pesos on the agent portal. Also, if you want to do bulk data purchase, you see the single here and the bulk here. Click on bulk here, and there's the format here. With the format here, you just enter the number of those who want to buy the data from you. So if 3 people want to buy data from you, you just enter their number here. Then you, after entering their number, you bring space followed by the data size. If it is 1 gig, you enter 1. If it is 10 gig, you enter 10. If it is 20 gig, you enter 20. Attached to each preferred customer's number. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, then the process we follow to make payment on the agent portal and that of the customer portal is the same. Okay, you load your wallet. As I said, don't forget that if you want to be an agent and if you become an agent, the only requirement that is needed is that you should be able to credit your wallet account here with a minimum of 500 Ghana cedis. Okay, and that amount is for you, and that is what you are going to use it to be buying data at cheaper prices to your customers. Okay, note this before, don't pay any money to anyone on this particular platform claiming that you are, before you be an agent, you need to pay this amount. No, okay, because you don't pay any money to be an agent. Being an agent is free. The only requirement is that you should be able to credit your wallet with a minimum of 500 Ghana cedis. That is what you'll be using it to be buying data on the agent portal to your customers. As simple as that. And you can as well join the WhatsApp community so as to get the day-to-day updates about the data packages. Okay, for instance, if there's a validation issue, you should be able to get to know from the WhatsApp community and the WhatsApp group. As simple as that. So therefore, Swansea Data is considered to be one of the best that you can use it to purchase your data bundles from as a customer and also as an agent. If you want to be an agent or as an agent, you can use this particular platform to just buy your data and deliver it to your customers. As simple as that. Their delivery is very fast. That one is very fast, okay, and there's 247 customer support to attend to you on any issue regarding the website. As simple as that. Here's the Talk Tech